If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install and update Android 14 on your device. To install and update Android 14 on your device, here is how to do. First, go to Settings. At Settings, scroll down and tap on System. On System, scroll down and tap on System Update. Now, on System Update, download and install the update and wait for your device to reboot. If you don't see an update available, it means your device is not supported or the update is not yet released. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.